Hello friends, I welcome you all for the next lecture of the subject Infrastructure Engineering and Construction Techniques. So, in this lecture, we are going to discuss the next method of tunnel excavation, which is called as a tunnel boring machines. These tunnel boring machines are popularly known as TBMs. In previous lecture, we had gone through the various conventional methods of tunnel excavation, that is needle beam method and earth pressure balance method, along with the NATM method, that is New Australian Tunneling method. So there are certain disadvantages of these methods, and because of which there is a necessity of tunnel excavation by using machines. So in this lecture we will see the introduction to tunnel boring machines, the working principle, as well as advantages and disadvantages of TBMs. So at present, tunneling in our country is being mostly done by conventional drilling and blasting method, and this conventional drilling and blasting method is very time consuming. Therefore, there is a pressing need for employing TBM for driving tunnels for speedy, economic and timely completion of the work. The tunnels which would have been completed in years are executed in months by using tunnel boring machines. This TBM is also known as mole and is a machine which is used to excavate tunnels with a circular cross section through a variety of soil and rock strata. Means we can use this tunnel boring machine for soft soil also and for hard soil also. The tunnel boring machine can bore through anything from hard rock to sand, and tunnel diameter can range from a meter to 19.25 meter. If the diameter of the tunnel is small, in that case micro tunnel boring machines are used. The moles are transported to the site of work in parts and then assembled at the project site, either outside of the tunnel portal if space for assembly is available, or it can be assembled inside the tunnel. So for proper operation of the moles, auxiliary services like workshop facilities, then electric power, lighting, ventilation, drainage and compressed air and water supply are also provided in these tunnel boring machines. The function of TBM is to loosen the earth or break the rock continuously in the entire section of the tunnel into cuttings and convey to the rear of the machine, where it can be loaded into mug cars or dumpers or onto conveyor belts for the transportation to the ultimate disposal site. So coming to the working principle. So before proceeding to the working principle, all of you just go through the diagram of working of tunnel boring machine. So this is a diagram for working of a tunnel boring machine. So this is a tunnel that we have to excavate, and this is a cutter head of the tunnel boring machine. So these are the cutters or beads which are provided to the head of the tunnel boring machine. This is a cross section, and here we can see the elevation. So here these are the tunnel boring machines bits. This is a conveyor belt to convey the excavated material to the cars. These are the mucking cars. So these machines perform the operation through rotation of the front head against the rock face. So this is a rock face that we have to excavate. Here we can see this is a rock face. So this is a cutter head. This cutter head is rotated against this rock face. The tunnel boring machine or mole has circular cutter head, which is as shown here. In the front, provided with fixed cutters of desired shape. When this cutter is rotated like this, the head is pressed against this rock, and because of which the rock will cut or get pulverized. So here we can see the rock is broken. This rock mass which is cut is collected or carried on this conveyor belt, and this conveyor belt will put this excavated material into this car. The buckets are provided around the cutter head periphery. These buckets discharge the muck into a hopper feed to a belt conveyor. The belt conveyor discharges the muck into a muck car, and this muck car will be taken outside of this site for the dumping the mucking or excavated material outside the tunnel. So this is about the working of tunnel boring machine. So these are the various components of tunnel boring machines. Here we can see cutter head, a pushing jack for pushing the cutter head. This is a shield skin. This is a screw conveyor for conveying the cut material. This is a backup facility. This portion of tunnel is already completed, that is erected segment. Here we can see the photo of tunnel boring machine or mole. This is a cutter head. This is a main body. Here we can see the bits are provided. When this bit will rotate, the rock will get pulverized or cut down into small pieces. So the advantages of TBMs are there is very less danger of fallouts in machine bored tunnels, since adjacent or surrounding rocks are undisturbed as no blasting is done. So in conventional type of methods, the holes are drilled and the holes are filled with a blasting material, and after that blasting is carried out. So sometimes it may happen that because of the blasting, the rock may get fall down, and which results in fallout of adjacent or surround rocks. So such cases does not happen if we are using the tunnel boring machines. The mucking is also safe and convenient, as mucking is nothing but whatever the material that we have excavated, that material we have to carry out outside of the tunnel, and this process is called as a mucking. So mucking is also safe and convenient, since muck is conveyed from face to the rear of the machine and is loaded automatically by means of a belt conveyors to the mucking cars. TBM offers higher speed of excavation as compared to conventional methods. There is reduction in the tunnel support requirement because, as we have already discussed, that in conventional method drilling and blasting is carried out and which will requires support at the time of tunnel construction. So by using TBM there is reduction in the tunnel support requirement. As we are using machine, so less manpower is required. Machines produces smooth and round opening which is not possible in conventional type of methods, and muck removal is continuous and fast. Though TBM offer variety of advantages, there are disadvantages too. The initial investment cost of the machine is high, as we have to import the machine, so there may be long delivery period in purchase. The next disadvantage is manufacturing of the machine is required to be done for the exact diameter of the tunnel. Suppose for example we have to construct a tunnel diameter with 25 meter diameter, so we have to give the requirement to the manufacturer that import or provide a TBM with 25 meter diameter. So here manufacturing of the machine is required to be done for the exact diameter, and repair of the tunnel boring machine or mole is cumbersome and time consuming. So this is about the working principle, advantages and disadvantages of the tunnel boring machines or moles. So with this we will stop here and continue in the next lecture. Thank you.